it's sunny today and I'm wearing my new shirt. What do you think? And last week we show you how the factory make the firecrackers, and this week we're gonna show you how the factory make the inner tubes. Okay, go. Did you see this roll of papers? It is 700 kilograms, and it will spend 1 day to make this whole roll into the tubes. Let's see how this works. See, here is the special glue. When the first machine roll the papers into a long tube, and it will through here to cut it into one by one. When the machine finishes the tubes, and you can see it's a little wet because of the glue, so the workers will put this into the playground to dry it up. See, this is the finished inner tubes, and this machine can make different size. This is the inner tube of 1 inch, and this one is the inner tube of 1.2 inch. If it is sunny, it will only take 2 days to dry this up. And you can see the difference. This one is the wet one, and this one is the dry one. If the weather is not good, so these inner tubes need to put into the dryer room to dry it up. Thanks for watching. Happy International Labor Day. Bye.